Hello and welcome to Deck Builders San Francisco, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are answering a big question many homeowners have. Should you repair your old deck, or is it time to replace it? From the top, many older decks look the same. Faded boards, loose screws, maybe a shaky railing. But what really matters is the story underneath. Sometimes the structure is still solid and you only need targeted repairs. Other times, the framing is tired or unsafe, and replacement is the smarter move. Let's start with what you can see. Surface boards that are cracked, heavily splintered, or rotten in spots are clear signs that something needs attention. Railings that wobble when you lean on them, or posts at the top of stairs that feel loose, are also red flags. Soft spots where your foot sinks a bit when you step can indicate local damage that at least needs inspection. Now let's talk about what you cannot see as easily. The framing, beams that sag, joists that look twisted or cracked, or ledger boards that are pulling away from the house are serious concerns. Rusted hardware, missing joist hangers, or connections that rely on nails where bolts or approved connectors should be used all add risk. These issues might not cause a problem on a quiet afternoon, but they show up fast when the deck is full of people. So when is repair enough? If the framing is generally solid and built to reasonable standards, but some boards, railings, or localized areas are worn, repair can make sense. That might mean replacing surface boards, upgrading railings to meet current safety expectations, or reinforcing certain connections with proper hardware. This is also a chance to upgrade surfaces to newer materials, including composites or waterproofing products such as Duradeck, when you are dealing with elevated, waterproof decks or similar systems. Replacement becomes the better choice when structural problems are widespread. If posts or beams are rotting, if the ledger board has decay or poor connections, or if the overall design falls far short of modern standards, putting new boards on top is just dressing up a weak frame. In those cases, starting fresh lets you fix footings, framing, railings, and layout all at once. It also lets you choose deck materials that better match your maintenance comfort level and long-term plans. Future goals matter too. If you know you want to add an outdoor kitchen, a pergola, or even a sunroom later, rebuilding now with those loads in mind can save you from paying twice. You can design the new structure to support those features from day one instead of trying to retrofit them onto framing that was never meant to handle the extra weight. If you are unsure where your deck stands, take some clear photos from above and below if you can safely access the underside. Look for sagging lines, rusty connections, and any signs of rot at posts, beams, or where the deck meets the house. Then get a professional set of eyes on it. If you suspect your deck is near the end of its life, or just want a straightforward opinion on repair versus replacement, you can reach our team at 415-767-1899 or visit toughdeckbuilderssanfrancisco.com. We will focus on structure first, then help you look at surface and material options that match your plans. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders San Francisco. Making the right call on an old deck can protect your family, your guests, and your home while setting you up for better outdoor living in the years ahead.